Hello and welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth smartphone reviews. Today, we are diving into the Oppo A6 Pro 5G, a budget-friendly 5G smartphone that promises a lot despite its price tag. We'll take you through everything you need to know, from its design and display to performance, camera, and battery life. Starting with the design, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G features a sleek and modern look with a glossy finish that feels premium in hand. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and comes in attractive colors that give it a stylish vibe. Moving on to the display, this phone offers a vibrant, clear screen that makes watching videos, playing games, or browsing social media an enjoyable experience. The colors are bright, and the touch response is smooth, which adds to the overall user experience. When it comes to performance, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a capable processor and sufficient RAM, it handles day-to-day tasks like social media apps, streaming, and light gaming with ease. Multitasking is smooth, and the interface feels responsive, which is essential for casual and professional users alike. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Oppo A6 Pro 5G comes with a decent camera setup that captures clear, vibrant photos in good lighting conditions. While it may not compete with flagship models, for its price range, it delivers impressive results for everyday photography, selfies, and social media content. The camera app is user-friendly, allowing quick access to different modes and filters. Battery life is another highlight of the Oppo A6 Pro 5G. With a long-lasting battery, this phone can comfortably last a full day of moderate usage without needing a recharge. This makes it a reliable companion for students, professionals, and casual users who are always on the go. Finally, the 5G connectivity ensures that you are future-ready, capable of handling faster internet speeds and streaming content seamlessly. Overall, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G strikes a balance between affordability and performance, making it a solid choice in the budget 5G segment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more honest reviews, tech tips, and the latest in mobile technology. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and we'll see you next time.